In this lecture, we have started interacting with our smart contract through Truffle console. In this lecture, I'll continue with this. I would like to show you the other library you can use to interact with your smart contract. And this library is heavily used whenever you are working with a JavaScript and you want to connect to the Ethereum network, you want to connect to Ethereum node. Okay, so I will write here a couple of notes and I will reveal you the name of this library. Okay, I will find here notes. So you will hear this name a lot when you will be working with the blockchains. You will hear about a Web3. We'll be working with the Web3 JS library. We will, with the help of the Web3, we can connect to local or remote node. When I'm talking about the local node, I mean Ganache, so our private blockchain. When I will be talking about the remote, this will be Ethereum network, either live network, so mainnet, or testing network. Okay, so we'll be using Web3. What is Web3? Web3 is a collection of libraries that allow you to interact with a local or remote Ethereum node. So it's a collection of libraries that allow you to interact with a local or remote Ethereum node. Okay, Web3.js we'll be using on our website when we'll be talking to smart contracts. Okay, so maybe we can open Web3.js. Why not? I will close here. We don't need it any longer. Remix, we don't need. Leave it. All right, and rather let's search here for Web3.js. JavaScript API. Okay, Web3.js is a collection of libraries that allow you to interact with a local or remote Ethereum node using HTTP. We'll be using HTTP. IPC means inter-process communication. It's not really important in WebSockets. Yeah, that's also not important right now. It's just the different types of the communications on the internet. Okay. All right, so here's the installation steps. The references, API references, what you can use. Web3 ETH. With the Web3 ETH, you can access the different things. You can access some, for example, accounts and yeah, all of this I would like to go step by step. So for now, I would like to start very simple. I would like to use this Web3 to access our smart contract and call a function to access the funds, for example. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go to terminal. If it's not open for you when you are not in a Truffle development console, you need to open it again. So just run Truffle console command. Or you know what, I will start it from beginning. Okay, so Truffle console, and we will get here our contract here. So you need to do it like this now. Of course, you can use just normal to access the faucet and deploy it as we did in the previous lecture, but I would like to use now Web3. So we have also the idea how we can use Web3. Truffle is using internally Web3, so that's why we are able to use only with the faucet deployed our contract. Now we will do it more traditionally. So I will get here const instance, let's say our contract, whatever you want to call it. You will get here a new Web3, all right, a .eth dot contract. Like this. Now in the curly brackets, you need to specify here, not curly brackets, in the normal brackets, you need to specify here two values. First will be ABI, so this abstraction binary interface of your contract. So you can access it like this, faucet.abi. And the second value is the address of your contract, so address where is your contract deployed. So let's go back to Ganache and look up your faucet contract. So here, go to contracts, faucet, and let's see address. Here is the address. I will copy it. And in a quotation signs, you will provide the address like this, and you will press enter. Okay, and you should have your instance now. Okay, so you have an instance of your contract. Now, since we are using Web3, we need to access the method a little bit differently. So let's write here, let's say const. I'll clear it out first. Can I clear it out? No, I cannot. Okay, so let's write here const funds equals sign. Now let's access your instance. We have assigned it to the instance, right? So up here we have an instance. Okay, here is an instance. We need to access this instance dot methods, the name of the method, which we have a funds. You will call it, and you will also need to call here call method like this. And let's write here again await. My mistake in the beginning, await. Okay, so accessing your contract instance, methods, funds, and a call. You will call here call. All right, so let's press enter. Now you should hear your funds. And you can, here we're getting straight away funds is already transformed from a big number to a string. So that's the ways how you can access your methods in a smart contract. First, we use the truffle abstraction. The second way, we have used the Web3 library. All right, guys, I will shut this down. Control C or Command C, and we will continue in the next lecture. I'll be showing you more methods. Again, there are some AI lectures I would like to talk about, but of course they are optional. So if you have already information about the blockchain and this stuff, feel free to skip this. And these lectures, I will be not coding or doing any progress in the course. So guys, that's gonna be it, and see you in the next one. Cheers.